Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the channel of Basic Chemistry. In this channel, you will be able to learn about the basic concepts of chemistry, and we will start our learning with very simple concept, which is the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is the arrangement of electrons in shells and subshells. And what are these shells and subshells? We have studied this in Bohr's atomic model, that shells are the circular pathways in which electrons revolve. The names of the shells start from K, and there are a maximum of 7 shells in which an electron can revolve. K, L, M, N, O, P and Q. Now the subshells are the subdivisions of shells. First shell contain only one subshell, second shell contain two subshells, third shell contain three subshells, fourth shell contain four subshells, and four subshells are maximum. Fifth shell also contain four subshells. Sixth shell contain three subshells, and seventh shell contain only two subshells. Now draw arrows diagonally to cut these subshells, downward diagonals, this way. Okay, in this way we draw diagonal arrows on the subshells. Now arrange these subshells in order of increasing energies. How we will arrange these subshells? First of all, we will write the subshell 1s because it is on the first arrow, then 2s, second arrow, third arrow contain two subshells, so we will write from tail to head. So 2p, then 3s. After that, fourth arrow, which contains 3p and 4s. Fifth arrow contain three subshells, so we can write in this manner: 3d, 4p and 5s. Next arrow contain also three subshells, which are 4d, 5p and 6s, and so on. In this way, you can write all the subshells in sequence up to 7p. Okay. Now let's take example of an element. Say we will take the example of calcium, which has an atomic number of 20, and we are going to arrange the electrons in these subshells. Calcium atomic number is 20. Now start writing. First subshell is 1s, which must contain two electrons, and remember, s subshell can only accommodate a maximum of two subshells. Okay, now again second subshell 2s, third subshell 2p, and p subshell can accommodate a maximum of 6 electrons. Then third subshell in sequence, you must fill the electrons in the order of increasing energy. And what is the ascending order of energy? This is this sequence. 3s, which must contain 2 electrons. Here are 2 plus 2 4 and 6 10 and 2 12 electrons. 8 electrons are still remaining. So place 6 more electrons in another subshell. Now the number of total electrons that have been accommodated yet are 2 4 6 10 2 12 and 6 18. 2 electrons are left, so we will put the last 2 electrons in this 4s. This element is an s block element. Why? Because its electronic configuration valence shell electronic configuration ends in s subshell. And if you want to find out uh, through this electronic configuration the group and the period number of calcium, and you want to place the calcium atom element in the periodic table, then we can find in this way. The last or the valence shell is fourth, so the period number of calcium is 4, because period number is equal to the number of shells that are present in any atom, and group number of calcium is 2. Group number must be written in capital Romans only, and A stands for the A block element. 2, why 2? Because there are 2 electrons in the valence shell. So we can conclude this video by saying that the group number indicates the number of valence electrons, or you can identify a group number through the number of valence electrons, and the period number indicates the number of shells, or you can identify the period number with the help of valence shell. Okay, thank you so much. Next time I will come with some other element which has some higher atomic number. Thank you so much.